Hi, I'm John Cooke. I'm a renter living in a house in Netherlands, WA. I came across Neil thanks to my real estate agent. I thought the job today was extraordinary because it was quite complex. I think a lot of people would have been put off by the fact that there was more than just an installation involved. There was some actual cabinetry work involved, some taking apart of the cabinetry that underpinned the Rangehood, and you did it without any sort of issue and in a very, very quick and efficient manner that solved the problem very, very well. If someone's thinking of getting their Rangehood fixed or a new Rangehood installed, I'd recommend Neil every time because he's the sort of guy who can just get a job done very quickly. Most people have had issues in the past of waiting for trades for days, or not days, but weeks. Neil was here last week to measure the job, to get an idea of what was involved. He was back less than a week later and the job's done, and done perfectly, and he cleaned up before he left. What's not to love about that? Neil, I think I'd give you 5 stars out of 5 because the job was just done to exactly how we wanted it done. We got the outcome we needed without any issues, and it was also really fun having a chat with you as well. You know, it's not often that your tradie is someone that you can have a chat to and share some opinions and talk about politics and all things in between. So yeah, it was a good experience in a lot of ways, more than just getting the job done. So that's a rare experience, very rare.